going sideways. So yeah, something's gonna happen. I got a bad feel. So I was just talking for 5 minutes and the mic was off. Yeah, so should I be smoking fucking cannabis while I'm doing this? Yeah, mic was off 5 minutes talking. What I said was I got a bad feel. I got in like over here and then I added to the position there, right? So I'm saying I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to go for exit, profit target, TP1 here if it hits. Instead of holding because I kind of mucked this up, I fucked it around, So yeah. See what happens. Something's going to happen. It's either going to go up, down, or fucking sideways for half an hour, or 2, or 4. You don't want to be in that. You don't want to be in the sideways market, my friends. Nah, that's the last place you want to be. That's the last place you want to be. Oh, come on, don't be like that. Come on. Let's just chop around here. It's going sideways. It's going sideways. Yeah. It's kind of a messy trade. It's a messy one. It's messy. This is a sloppy. She's a bit sloppy, this one. Can I say that? You can say that, can't you? I think so. Oh. I've been spited. Yeah, so it's looking bearish. Do we move our stops? What do we do? What do we do? It's looking bearish. Oh, get above that EMA. Come on, come on. Get up, get up, get up there. We want it to close above the 50%. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God, no. No, what's going to happen? What's going to happen now? I moved the wrong one. We want it to close above the red line. That's what we want. Come on, come on. Yeah! Yeah! Come on! Don't tease me. Stop teasing. Don't tease. Okay, you can tease. Yep, tease some more. A little bit more. Tease it. Keep teasing. I like it. Don't stop. Yeah, you. Okay, tease a little bit more. Go. No. More. Okay. Don't go down. No. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah, you fucking. Go. Go. Come on. You know you want to. No. It's fucking exhausting. Ah, you fucking. Oh, you dirty he. You fucking he. Ah. So should I take it? Should I close out my position? I can lock in 775. Do I flatten? Do I fucking flatten? Do you take the money and run? Or do you sit and wait? Do you sit and wait in the bushes? Are you in the bushes? I can see you. Go! Let's fucking go! Let's go! Ah. You're fucking... Really? Good God. It's hard work. I tell you. I'm standing right now. I'm fucking standing up. I'm leaning. Oh no, it's getting wicky. Fuck. I should probably move my stop up. Yeah, okay, it's getting serious, folks. It's getting serious. It's getting wicky. It's coming down. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm in the fucking right. I'm in the marker mode. I'm going to enter orders with a fucking crayon pencil. Shit, yeah. This is looking... Yeah, I'm gonna reduce my size of my stop loss because it is looking like it's gonna roll over and stop me out. So do I take the profits or do you wait? It's fucking hard to do, isn't it? It's so hard. It's so very hard. Because now she's teasing again. Look at her teasing. You stop teasing. You're getting close. See? You fucking he! You fucking he! Come on! Oh, you fucking... Come on! Fuck. This can be the last one. Last trade of the day. Fucking exhausting! You think it's not work? It's fucking work. It's fucking work, I tell you. You gotta fucking look at this. You feel it. I fucking feel it. I feel it in my fucking bones, okay? The fucking shit's on the line. It's stress. It's fucking stress. Because it's out of my control. I can't do anything. See? It's going up. Now it's coming to get my stop. It can shoot down here. One fucking giant boner candle with a fucking wick dick. See? Motherfuck. And then it will come down. Whoop, whips out my fucking stop. And I was in the money. Yeah, fuck, I should. I'm gonna take some profit, I think. Well, you fucking heard. You fucking. At least. I'm moving it to break even. I don't like this market. It's fucking. She can whip down to 25 like nothing. Okay, at least now I'll get stopped out, break even just above. You know, because it's not doing what I want it to do. So should I book the profits? Do I flatten? Fuck. Did I take the money? There's a little bit of money. Look, it's fucking gonna dump. What was that noise? Oh god, it's dumping. It's gonna dump. Is it dumping? It's dump. It might dump. It's dumping. Fuck. Fucking it's dumping. Did I take the profit? I got a little bit of profit. What do I got? I got a little bit. 5. Ah shit. I better book it. I should flatten. I should take it. I should take the profit. But now it's looking. Oh, you fucking he! Ah, she's gonna stop me out. Yep. That's alright. That's alright. You fucking he! It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Was it? I made money. Okay, it wasn't a loser. So yeah, fucking. Yeah, there's trading, man. Fucking exhausting. You fucking heard? She's going up. She's going up again. Oh, you dirty. Watch it. Watch it fucking run to 75. Oh my god, I'm fucking sorry. That was impulsive. Don't do that, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Don't do that because that was impulsive. You saw that was an impulse. Oh Jesus, that's another impulse. Don't fucking. Oh Jesus. I just did another. Oh, good God. Oh, she's teasing me again. Say, oh, you fucker. Oh, don't do that. You're so close. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Oh, so close. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go. Fucking let's go. Hello? Hello? Come on. Come on, just push it. One fucking push. Just, oh, you fuck. That sucks. I got fucking sucked in by a siren. It's like a siren. The sirens, you know, they sing in the sea. They suck you, they pull you into the rocks. They pull you into the fucking rocks. Shipwrecked. Getting fucking shipwrecked. Call it the siren. Market. She lured me in. The dirty hair. You dirty hair. Stop it. She's fucking. Is she teasing again? Is she gonna go? Are you gonna go? You fucking look like you might go now. I think you wanna go. Fucking let's go! Oh, you're so fucking close. Oh! What are you doing? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me? What? What is wrong? What's the problem? Can you just... I'm right there. Can you not see my orders? Can you see me? Can you see I just want to get tagged out? Just pop! Just tag me out, motherfucker. Tag me out. Oh. You dirty, dirty. What's that? Oh no. Fucking. I'm getting a fucking dagger in my belly right now. I fucking hurt. You're at the. Oh. Come on, come on. Oh, you're right fucking there. You're right there. You dirty. She fucking touched. Okay, good God. I think I'm having a fucking aneurysm.